How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Postosuchus. Postosuchus was kind of, I believe it's like an early reptile. It's like in that dinosaur era, but earlier, I believe. Here's a action figure of Postosuchus. Yeah. But really awesome. Might as well be a dinosaur as far as what most people know, but wasn't a dinosaur, an ancient, a prehistoric reptile, but really, really cool. It was in the show Walking with Dinosaurs, if you've ever seen that. Really amazing. So let's go over how to draw this prehistoric beast, okay? For beginners, so follow it all the way to the very end, so stay all the way to the very end of the video, okay? Let's get started. All right, let's kind of jump into Postosuchus here. Alrighty. I really love that stuff. Really cool design. So, first thing I'm gonna do, it's because we're drawing mostly from the right side. I am going to go over here and draw a flat part of the nose. He's a very flat front of the face. Then I'm gonna pull back, kind of top of the snout here. It's gonna roll up over here for the kind of brow area. That's pretty much always stuff like any dinosaur, any prehistoric creature. To be honest, almost anything. The brow is such a big kind of landmark. It almost always makes way for like a shape because that's what they're seeing out of. Go over here for the neck. And then keep going back over here. And it's going to go off the page, but we're going to try to keep it on the page here. Just draw a curve. Okie doke. Line over here. If you don't know anything about this, I can't even call it dinosaur, but I think it's a reptile. Definitely look stuff up about him. He's really fascinating. I learned about him through Walking with Dinosaurs, like I said, and really, really fascinating design. That's the part in the mouth. Line over here for the cheek. And let's go over to the eye. Line up over here, down. And just right here, we got that eye tucked in. Line right here. Teeth. Like just basically regular triangle, regular triangle, regular triangle. And curve over here. Draw a line down for the bottom of the mouth here, because the mouth is going to be closed on this guy. Pulling back. Down over here for the lower jaw. Pulling down here for the neck. And let's draw the arm over here. Line out, down, right? I always like doing that for the elbows and the arms. Let's go over here for the leg, so we don't forget. And I'm going to start with, I don't like the meat, maybe he has like a line right here, but maybe he's got like the meaty part of the leg. Line over here, down. Let's go over here to the other part of the arm to complete that. I just wanted to kind of like outline where I want the limbs. Line over here, down, out, like this, up, over here on the far end, out, down, for the far limb, and then the feet over here, he's got like his hand turned in, up, over here. Okie doke. Let's draw the stomach part, continue, boom. And then let's draw the rest of the leg over here. Line over here. It's got skinnier legs than you would think, I think. Curve down. Also, don't forget, if you want to draw more dinosaurs, go to the playlist, the dinosaur playlist. I have it in the description there. Absolutely go check that out. All kinds of dinosaurs on there, all kinds. I probably have like 50 videos on different dinosaurs over there, so go check that out. And do me a favor and hit that subscribe. Do yourself a favor too. Hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. So when you do that, it's going to show you what I do. So I post 3 times a day, 3 video tutorials every single day. If you want to like slightly learn a little bit more about drawing every day, hit that subscribe and click that bell notification, because that's just going to show you the video on your feed, and it's going to show you the thumbnail basically. And then you can like each day, and then you can kind of decide whether you want to see it or not. So absolutely have to do that. Doing the feet over here. And we can draw like the other foot in the back, or we can draw the other foot over here, maybe coming out back over here. See, it's just like a little line there. And let's go over here for the rest of him. Maybe pull up a little bit, but then we're gonna go over here. It's gonna go off the page just a little bit. We're gonna catch the end of the tail over here. All right, looks kind of like, I believe he was a, gosh, I think he was a relative. I forget offhand. I think he was a relative of a modern day crocodile, was he? Whew. Somebody can tell me that, educate me. I could go look it up, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I mean, I'll look it up later. But and we're gonna give him some spikes on his back. I think they're spikes. I don't think they're osteoderms, right? All along, just real little ones, so I can just do that. Go over here, he has this pattern all over him, very Godzilla-like, very crocodile-like. Go over here, we got like a tough back, and draw a line across, so it's giving him that pattern on him, you know? Curve line here on the inside of like where he's bending his arms. Usually you see like some crunching of the skin. And that really, really helps sell it when you do that. And then you can draw his eye, like he's looking up somewhere. Everything after this is just straight up like details that you want or don't want. So, for example, right here, I can give him like maybe a darker stomach area. Like I'll just put a thicker line down here, thicker line down here. And what that's going to do is it's really going to, you know, it's really going to fix that. Not fix them, so I was going to show it like there, like it looks like there's a light source when you do that. And then draw a line here. Everything else, like I said, is maybe like bags under the eyes, curve over here, curve over here. And line here along the elbows. Like I said, it's all just kind of what you want at this point. And you can draw more scales if you'd like, but that's it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You are amazing. If you want more, you know, like obscure, he's not a dinosaur, but like in that range, you know what I mean? Like more prehistoric animals, let me know in the description. I just did a woolly mammoth, I did the saber-toothed tiger at somebody's request. Somebody requested this actually, but thank you so much. I will see you later. Talk to you soon. Share the video and hit the like button if you watch this far. If you watch this far, hit that like button and I'm really gonna know. You know, thank you.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.